you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Morphe review. I have the 39A eyeshadow palette with the 8C blush palette to show you guys and do two different try on looks for you. Do you want to know what this is all about and the two looks that I created? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Morphe order just came in. I had placed an order. I know my dear good friend, my gorgeous, wonderful friend, Abby from Abadabs, she's been showing me one of her Morphe palettes and keeps saying that I need to get it. Well, Morphe did have this one on sale, and I sent her a picture, and I'm like, is this the one that you keep telling me to buy? And she were like, yes, get it. And I'm like, okay, calm down. So I got it. This is the outside packaging for them both. I will show you the blush palette after my two eyeshadow looks, but I will go ahead and get into the palette, give you my opinion, and I'm going to swatch this entire baby for you as well. So thank you so much, Abadabs, for telling me to purchase this. You pushed me to get another Morphe palette, and I'm super excited. So here is the outside packaging for the eyeshadow palette. Again, this is the 39A. It says Dare to Create. And this one has 39 shades to create your masterpiece. These super pigmented shades for your eyes and face create your ultimate color wheel. Makeup makes art, you'll see. Be your own muse, we dare you. So there is the packaging. Again, it did come with two different things of bubble wrap that were inside the box as well. So it was very well protected. And it does have this little guy on it with all of the colors that I did remove when I was actually using it. So taking out the actual palette, this is what it looks like. I do need to say my other palettes, they're all a hard plastic. Kind of like this is a hard plastic, the blush palette. That's how all of my palettes like this are, but this one is like a hard cardboard, like a paper type style, like a book almost, which is different. It's definitely feels different. I'm used to my hard plastic ones and they're heavier. This one is a little bit lighter. I almost just dropped it right now. I'm gonna prove to you how light this is. I'm gonna end up breaking it by the end of the video. So this is definitely lighter. I can feel the difference in the weight because it's not in that thick plastic container. So there's the outside of the actual packaging, which just has Morphe with the all black color, and then the back of it doesn't have really anything. And then when you open it up, there's no mirror, which I'm perfectly fine with. I don't use them anyway. And then here is all of the colors. Now, this is a gorgeous palette. I was thinking it was going to be a little bit more colorful. Looking at it online, when I have it in my hands, I see a whole lot of browns, which I have an all brown palette by Morphe. So that's kind of why I've been holding off on other Morphe palettes, because I do have 2 or 3 of them with the color stories inside, kind of resemble others. So I've just been sticking to the ones that I've had. But this one is super cute. I don't have any with the larger pans in the middle. I don't think any of mine are laid out this way, but I do think it's really pretty. My first look that I will be showing you guys, I did use the green tone. After using these two greens right here, which ended up being more of like an olive drab green, and then I added this on my lower lid, which was a mistake because then it made it like a Christmas tree green with olive drab green, and it did not look good. So then I had to go in with this gold to put over this Christmas tree green to make it actually look good, and it actually did turn out really nice, and I liked it a lot more after I got out of this lighting and could see it better. I actually liked it a lot more. So that's what I did for the first look. The second look is the brown tones when I used the brown colors, but what's left in here is some blues, some teals, some burgundies, some pinks, there's some orange. So there are other colors in here other than just the browns, but the browns are really pretty. You have the lighter browns, you have like terracotta color browns, you have more smokier, deeper browns, so it looks like there's more of like a dark gray kind of color to it. There's like a black, there's darker browns. There's so many different variations of colors in here. I really do like this palette, and I like how light it is. Told you I'm gonna end up dropping this by the end of the night. I do like the weight of it, and I'm really glad that now I have another large Morphe palette to add to my collection, because you can start off with your browns, and if you want to get bold and you want to add in a little bit of color, you can do that as well. So this is what the entire palette looks like. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all of these for you. So hold on. So again, here is the palette and here is all of the swatches. Now, these blues are super pretty. And then here's the green. So see, here's like an olive drab. And then I put that one on my lower lid, which looked like a Christmas tree green, which I guess I probably should have used this, but this one did not look like it was green at all in the pan, but it actually is once you swatch it. And then again, here's the blues. So here's more of like the purple section. And then here is all browns, lighter browns, darker browns. This is like a black. So this is the entire palette. Super pretty, super pretty. So again, I'm so glad that Abadabs was like, yes, get that shit, because now I have this shit and I like it. So again, the next time I use this, I'm going to try to use these right here and do a blue look. So then I can then do like a burgundy look, and then I'll pretty much have like all the different color combinations done. But at least today I'm showing you 2 different looks, and I'm so glad that I have this palette. Now, the only thing that I wish is that there was a lighter color to set my base and then a lighter shimmer for my lower lid. Other than that, I really do like this palette. I'm really pleased with this palette. I'm pleased with the color theory and just the different colors and how they placed it in there, how the blues are like bunched up, the greens. I like how they laid out the palette as well. So there you have it. So let's go ahead and get into a different look. that is how I completed this look from Morphe. I am really pleased with the palette. For the brown look, the way that I created this one is I started with my white vanilla because again, this one doesn't have any lighter shades or doesn't have any light shimmer shades. So I had to compromise. So I went in with this one after my vanilla. I went in with this one over my entire top lid. Then to deepen it up, I went in with this one right here. Then in my corner, and to deepen it up even more, I went in with this color right here. And then I put this one on my lower lid, which was really, really dark. So then I added like this goldish sheen on top of it. And then I did this color and this color on my bottom lid. And that is how easy and simple I created this brown tone look. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to let you know, this is how my Morphe palette wore throughout the day. It still looks really good. The blending is still really good. I mean, I think it wore pretty good because I was outside digging some holes. So I think it wore pretty well throughout the day. And I really like Morphe's formula in general. So I'm pretty pleased with the palette. So there you go. So this is all over a really nice palette that you can use a pop of color, or you can just stick with the neutral colors if you would like. But I do like this. I'm super glad that I got this palette, and I'm glad I was able to show you 2 different looks from it. So that is everything that I have to tell you about this eyeshadow palette. Again, this is the 39A. But I also did get this palette. If you guys know, I don't normally wear blush, but I do have a Morphe highlighting palette that I got from Georgia Sunshine in our collab last year. And I saw that they have a blush palette, so I thought I might as well get a blush palette in case I ever want to use the colors as blush for once, or if I ever want to use them as a shadow or anything like that. But at least now I have one blush palette, one highlighting palette, and then all kinds of eyeshadow palettes from Morphe. So I went ahead and grabbed this. This is 8C Cool Palette, 8 shades for keeping you cool. And here's the outside packaging. And then the inside, it's all wrapped up. This one is a hard plastic case. So there's that. And ooh, here are the colors. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I can definitely see using some of these for an eyeshadow for sure. For sure. Let me go ahead and see if I can just get a little bit on here, and then I'll swatch the whole thing for you as well. I'm gonna go ahead and try, because I'm so light, I'm gonna go ahead and try Driven, because it does look like it has like a light sheen to it, so maybe it'll kind of be like a highlighting blush maybe. Let's just see what happens. I don't even know if this is where blush is supposed to go on me. I know it's just supposed to go like on my cheeks, but I don't know where the hell my cheek, I don't know. I don't even know if you can see it, but I normally don't wear blush, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I don't know. Anyway, let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. So again, here is the palette, and here is all of the swatches. Very pretty palette. Again, I probably will use some of these for eyeshadows or something, because I don't really use a whole lot of blush, but if I ever do, now I have a Morphe blush palette that is in my arsenal. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I have to show you from the Morphe haul that I bought, which again was the blush palette and the highlighting palette. Let me know now down below, do you guys have either of these? Do you have anything from Morphe? Do you want to get these now? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So now, if you are still with me and you would like to win one of these for yourself, this is my packaging. So you know, this was my packaging that I've opened for these that I've tried on and showed you guys. These two are completely in the packaging, unopened, and will go to one of you guys. So if you would like to enter, all you have to do is, number one, be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to you that are here supporting me positively on my channel. So I want to give back and show my appreciation. So be subscribed. Like this video, give it a big thumbs up. be over the age of 18, have a United States address for me to ship it to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm shipping and paying shipping for a United States address. And leave one comment down below. You can leave as many comments as you would like, but only one comment entering in to make it fair for everybody who is still here and would like to win the palettes, the blush palette and the eyeshadow palette. So in that comment, you must put dare to create, because on here it says dare to create. So in your comments, all you have to do is put in these words, dare to create. You can just put dare to create. You can use it creatively in a sentence, however you would like, but dare to create must be in one of your comments and only one. Then in 2 weeks, when this ends, I will have a random comment picker go through the comments that are ciphering through dare to create. And as long as you are subscribed to me and you did leave your comment, I will comment back to your comment saying congratulations. You have 48 hours to respond back to me to claim these 2 items. And if you don't, then I will use the random comment picker to choose another winner. The new winner will have 48 hours and so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. Down below in the description box, which has all the official rules and the official end date, if you have any questions, down below. But in the description box, it'll say close, congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm, or if they have confirmed, it will say confirmed. So if it still says has 48 hours to confirm, then hang tight. I may have to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you. So congratulations to who does win. Thank you so much for everyone who is entering in. You know I have giveaways all the time, so always look out for giveaways in the future because I like to do them for you guys. And that is everything. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. Out.